So beautiful people, this is our black soup. Okay, this is 5-in-1 vegetable black soup. So this is plantain and beans powder. Okay, watch out for our previous video how we prepare this swallow. It's on our YouTube channel. Subscribe, press the notification bell to all. So follow us as we want to eat. Watch out for our next video how we are going to eat this food. Subscribe. Thank you. Bye. Mwah. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. If you are watching me for the first time, please help me to subscribe, share this video. This is our food we want to eat. This is mukbang, our asthma. This is 5-in-1 vegetable black soup. Okay, so this is our swallow is plantain and beans powder. It's on my YouTube channel. If you want to know how I prepare this swallow and the soup, is on my YouTube channel. Share, press the notification bell. Oh, this soup is delicious. Come and join us with this meal. Okay, join us. Philip, show. Eat it now. Chobono is hot.
Oh, my people, this is yet another episode. This is black soup, 5-in-1 black soup. This black soup, they call it is 5-in-1. Ofe olugu, ofe erunshi. Olugu is bitter leaf, erunshi is scent leaf. This cocoyam leaf is there, and this cassia alata with spinach.
Watch the full video on our YouTube channel. If you not want to know how we prepare this delicious soup.
This is lovely. My people, you are invited though.
It's hot.
Yeah.
Wait.
This is medicinal soup.
With plantain and beans. Eat.
Yes, eat.
It's hot.
It's not. Is it hot? See, my mother eats from like here. Philip, eat.
I see. This food is delicious. This is medicinal soup.
Philip, eat.
You know, beans has a lot of vitamin.
Philip, don't throw the fish now.
Give me your food.
Let's see. Look at it.
You know it's one. Yeah.
Eat. Okay. Hey. Amigo.
Jẹ́ fún mọ́ra lánàá. Màá fẹ́ gbé sọ́wọ́ bóyá tẹ̀.
Please like, share, comment. This is 5-in-1
Vegetable
black soup.
Màá gbé sẹ́nu.
Daddy.
Manuela.
You see, Philip is cup. Eat.
Manuela, eat before licking the soup now. We know the soup is delicious. Eat first.
You see?
Philip.
Yeah, Philip, eat.
I want to feed you now. Okay, take. Let me show viewers. Viewers, this is our black soup. Okay, this is our black soup with 5-in-1 black soup. Bitter leaf, scent leaf, cassia alata, cocoyam leaf, and spinach. This is Philip's own. This is Philip's own, and this is Emanuela's own.
Philip, eat.
Let's add some small soup. Sit down. Sit down very well. Let me feed you. Yeah. Eat now. Manuela will eat it too. Oh yeah, sit down properly. Please like, share, comment. Ooh. This is hot. Mm. Manuela. Mm-mm. Mm.
Eat now.
That is moon.
Yeah, that is moon.
Eat.
Manuela, leave moon, eat. After eating, you go and look at the moon. Eat. Am.
That's mommy. That is the art.
It's hot.
It's good.
Art. The art.
Mm.
Tata. 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 Tata.
Water, not tata.
If you like this video, please help us to share.
Share, like.
We have different kind of swallow in our YouTube channel and soup. Subscribe for
Please, so if you are just seeing our beautiful faces for the first time,
Tata.
water is finished.
help us to subscribe, share, like, and comment. Manuela, what will you say?
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
See you in our next video. Okay?
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye.
Mwah.